Yeah.
St. Nick come?
He sure did. Look at your stocking, Anna. Did St. Nick come?
Anna, where's your stocking? Where's your stocking? There used to be 4 hanging up there.
Where's Anna's stocking?
Right here.
Go check it out.
Is it on the ground?
It's on the ground. Anna, it's on the ground.
What's that?
Right there.
What's the stocking right there on the floor? That's the Santa, but what's the stocking right there on the floor?
That comes up.
Oh! What's in there?
Candy.
Let's check it out. Empty it. See what's in there. What is that?
Candy.
What are those?
Candy.
Is it candy?
Yeah.
Well, that's awfully nice of him. What else do you got in there? What is that?
What are those?
What are those?
That's for my baby.
Those?
For your
I don't think those are for your baby.
Those are for you. Those are undies. Big girl undies.
What is that? Oh, that looks big.
Can you pull it out? Oscar, come here.
Keep yanking.
Keep pulling.
Mama, pull that out.
Keep pulling. You're doing good. You want me to help you?
What are those?
Let me get it open.
Oh, let's see what else is in our stocking before we open up.
What are those, Anna? Are those jammies? Oh, look, it's a little gown jammy. Oh, what's that?
My lipstick.
Lipstick. Lipstick. Reach way down. Reach way down in there. What else did St. Nick bring? Oh.
A tag.
A tag?
We'll get it.
St. Nick's really got it jammed in there. What are those?
What are these?
Slippers.
Slippers.
No.
Slippers.
Wash my butt, Tommy. Wash my butt, Carly.
What is that?
Candy.
Is it candy? Show us. We want to see.
Oh,
Whoa!
your favorite, Anna.
What are those?
Candy.
It's candy.
Get this out.
No, there's nothing in the other ones.
Is there more in here?
Sounds like there's more in there.
Dump it out.
Dump it out.
Mom, dump it out for me.
Oh, there it came.
What's that?
A danger. But my butt. My got more.
Come on, Puck.
My
Reach way down into the bottom.
There.
Can you get it?
Daddy, get it for me.
Oh, I think you got it. What is that?
Crackers.
No, those aren't crackers. What are those? Let me see.
Those aren't crackers. Anna,
Anna, puffy fruit snacks.
those are the